Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you trading212 how to remove a card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your trading212 app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the menu icon in the top left corner, and then tap on settings, then inside tap on payment methods, then on website go to the manage funds on the left panel and then click on payment methods. Then next is you'll see a list of linked payment methods. Find the card you want to remove, then click remove or delete next to card. Confirm your decision to remove the card from your account. If you need to add a new card, click add card or add payment method and enter the new card details. You can only remove the card if it's not linked to any open or active trades. Make sure you have the alternative payment method like bank transfer or PayPal etc. before removing your card, especially if you need to deposit funds or make withdrawals. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.